It's a 17 mil for the drain plug. Kit I came with the crush washer, filter, 4 quarts of oil. I don't have an oil filter. Slide this crush washer on there. And then wipe this. Close her back up. Alright, so I just dabbed a little bit of oil around the seal with a new filter. And I'm just gonna do a little splash on the inside. That way this thing ain't completely dry. Alright, so I got the drain plug back on there. I had to spray everything down with brake cleaner because I got everything dirty and oiled up. I believe it was 29 Newton meters. I tightened that too.